Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a population pyramid using Google Sheets. This type of chart is perfect for visualizing age and gender distribution data in a clear, professional way. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the Google account where your spreadsheets are stored, as this will give you access to all your files and workspace tools. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your workspace dashboard. This is your central hub where all your documents, spreadsheets, and presentations are organized. From here, simply click on the spreadsheet where you want to create your population pyramid. If you don't have one prepared yet, you can always create a new spreadsheet and set up your data before continuing. Now, for this tutorial, I'm working with sample population data that's already been set up. Your data should typically include age groups and values for different categories like male and female populations. To get started with the chart, highlight all the data you want to include in your pyramid. Once your data is selected, look up to the top menu bar and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Chart. This will automatically generate a default chart based on your selected data. You'll notice that the chart editor appears on the left side of your screen. This is where you'll customize your chart to transform it into a proper population pyramid. First, click on Chart Type at the top of the editor. A list of different chart styles will appear. Scroll through the options until you find Stacked Bar Chart, then click on it. This chart type is essential for creating the pyramid structure you're looking for. Now that you've set the chart type, it's time to fine-tune the appearance. Click on Customize, which is located right next to the Setup tab in the chart editor. From there, click on Horizontal Axis to access the settings that control how your data is displayed along the horizontal line of the chart. Here's where we adjust the scale to make the pyramid look balanced. In the Min field, input -10. This will extend the axis to the left, allowing one side of your pyramid to display correctly. Then, in the Max field, input 10. This ensures both sides of your pyramid are symmetrical and easy to read. Next, let's add a meaningful title to your chart. Click on Chart and Axis Titles within the Customize menu. You'll see an option to change the chart title. Go ahead and type in something descriptive like Canada 2000 or whatever fits your dataset. This helps viewers immediately understand what the chart represents. And that's it. You've successfully created a population pyramid in Google Sheets. This chart now clearly displays your demographic data in a visually appealing and easy to understand format. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.